Baby, dance. This is the chipmunk dance party. Another rainy day in Georgia. Another dance party in the Copeland house. Libby's shaking her butt. Break it down, girl. Shake that booty.
Ow! Stop,
Hudson, come here, boy. Come here. He wants to dance too. Libby does the same move. Libby, do another move.
Stop!
Hudson, come here. Hudson, come here, boy. Come here, boy. Hudson, come here. Good boy. You need to calm down. Come here. Come here. Sit. Sit. Hudson, sit. Good boy. Libby's doing the same move, just move to the couch. Jossie's been shaking her booty since she's been 1 year old. I don't know if that's a good thing. Libby, super baby. Saturday, Saturday to Sunday.
Yay!
Yay!
Hooray! Keep the video on.